A new development in the federal fraud case against 3 former city leaders connected to the payout of former Honolulu Police Chief Louis Kealoha's retirement. Legal experts now say the latest court order seems to bode well for the defendants. A judge ruling is allowing defense attorneys to get access to some key evidence. KITV4's Diana Coe reports on what this may mean for the case.
This latest court order in the case of the city and county of Honolulu versus Donna Leong says the city is required to turn over key documents it has on the case. The information pertains to discussions Donna Leong had when she was still the city's lawyer about paying out Honolulu Police Chief Louis Kealoha $250,000 to retire early. The city has to give it to lawyers for the 3 defendants, Donna Leong, Max Sword, and Roy Amemiya Jr., all defendants in a federal criminal case.
I'm not surprised by the order. It was reasonable for the court to order that the city turn over all the documents that the city's private lawyer has in its possession. These make up all of the documents that the defense was looking for anyways.
Defense attorney and former deputy prosecutor Megan Kao gave us her analysis.
This is a very big deal. The order itself is not a very big deal, but the chronology of what happened is.
In 2017, the U.S. government filed fraud proceedings against the 3. In 2019, the FBI raided the city's files to support the case. In 2019, the city also hired law firm Farella, Braun & Martel to study the case and report its findings.
The private lawyer filed a 30-page report, and what that 30-page report showed is that the city did not commit fraud and did not commit any illegal acts in paying out Louis Kealoha the $250,000.
The federal government reviewed it as well.
Well, the government, in fact, agreed that this 30-page report showed that the city did not do anything illegal in regard to the $250,000 payout, and therefore closed the matter. That is extremely significant. Not only did the government close the matter, they therefore destroyed all the exculpatory evidence that had been provided to it.
In 2021, 2 new federal attorneys reopened the case, which brings us to today. The 3 defense attorneys have been asking the city for this evidence.
This is exculpatory evidence that could really exonerate this trio?
It shows that there are all of these outstanding documents that could show that our clients are actually not guilty of the crime they're being charged with.
The deadline to fully comply with the order comes April 15th. But if history is any guide, Kao cautions what it seems should be an ending to the case may not be.
Thank you so much, Megan Kao, for giving us some legal analysis on this. Diana Coe, KITV4 Island News.
Lawyers for the 3 defendants have not returned our requests for comment.